Tao na ito no mga Capricorn, yan no, kasi nga meron pa siyang someone else no. So, willing tong tao na ito no, na iwanan yung kanyang person na whoever it is no, kung kasal man ito or hindi. Basta meron siyang, may partner siya no, mga Capricorn. But then, iba yung nararamdaman niya with you, no? I don't know kung kilala mo na ito. Yeah, for some of you, kilala mo na rin. But then nga, for some of you naman ay, this is a new person. This is a new person, no? Kasi nga nakikita ka niya through social media, no? So, malaki yung paghanga niya sa'yo, no? So, hinahangaan ka ng tao na ito, no, mga Capricorn. And then, this person is really, iba yung nararamdaman niya for you, no? So that's why, no, maybe for some of you, no, kung talagang this person is, meron siyang partner right now, for some of you, kung kasal man ito, maybe ay inaayos niya, no, may inaayos siya dito, no, siguro, maybe hindi na rin sila okay ng kanyang person, that's why, no, kaya parang willing siya, no, na, kumbaga ay, kumbaga parang may tinatapos siya, no? So, kaya sabi niya rito ay, please wait for me, di ba? So, kumbaga parang for this person is talagang ready siya, no? Kumbaga parang sugod kung sugod, no? So, parang once na parang may inaayos lang siya, no, sa kanyang present partner, no? Kung nasa kanya, I don't know kung talagang kung sila pa rin, no? But then, ang nakikita ko rito, no, maybe ay kung kasal ito, no, nakikipaghiwalay siya, no, kung meron mang, kung sa Pilipinas, no, inaayos niya ang kanyang annulment, no, or kung sa ibang bansa man to nagpakasal, divorce, no, for some of you, no. So, just take what's resonate, no, mga Capricorn, no. So, ayun lang yung nasa-sense ko dito, no. So, yeah, this person is really into you, no. So, iba yung nakikita niya talaga at iba yung nararamdaman niya for you, no, mga Capricorn. So, willing talaga siya, no. So, may inaayos lang siyang mga legal matters, no, for some of you, no. So, kaya meron ditong wait for me, no. And then this person is really loves you, no. So, I don't know kung nakausap mo na ito, no? But then again, no, for some of you ay alam mo na ito, no? Kilala mo na tong person na ito. And then, for some of you, this is a new person, no? Makikilala nyo pa lang siya, no? Mga Capricorn. So, yeah, that's